A journeyman, HVAC technician, is one who has completed an apprenticeship in heating, ventilation and air conditioning and passed the journeyman HVAC examination. His duties include the installation, repair and maintenance of HVAC systems. It is most important to know who can be the HVAC journeyman. Below are some basic requirements. HVAC certificate or diploma. License. Experiences. Reading and writing skills. Number 1. Certificate or diploma. A person who is wishing to become a journeyman of HVAC systems, multiple courses must be passed. You would need to go through a 4 to 5 year apprenticeship training program while working in the field as well and taking classes at night. Number 2. Licensing. After these courses you must need to get a license. Through this you will be registered technician. Requirement for licensing is almost same everywhere. First certificate you need is your EPA 608. And then you will be taking a journeyman exam to receive a journeyman card after completing your apprenticeship program or testing it. Number 3. Reading and writing skills. In an HVAC system, variety of reading comes in front of you, encrypted written data. It requires professional to read it and solve the concerned issue. On component of an HVAC system, there are some codes mentioned. It can only be understood by professionals. Also, writing skill is itself a most demanded because as a HVAC journeyman, you will be required to write out work orders, quotes and other paperwork regarding company requirements. Number 4. Workplace area. Journeyman technicians work on project for the complete day or they perform their job on call. They require safety equipment for unsafe locations. Most of time HVAC system maintenance work is located outside the home or building. There is also a lot of inside work as well. Number 5. Job security and promotion. HVAC is a highly demanded field to work in. Promotions of HVAC professional depends on technicians' skills and experience they have. Ambitious HVAC technician learn more and promote rapidly. Many updated systems are coming, so HVAC techs are continuously learning new equipment. If you would like to know more information about this topic, go to HVACFreelancer.com or you can click the link below in the description. Feel free to join to get a free copy of the ebook HVAC Freelancer Guide to Success in the HVACR industry.